What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a development approach where you describe software in natural language and AI writes the code. Learn how it works, when to use it, and how Gtemas applies it to deliver production-grade tools in days. Vibe coding shifts the developer's job from writing code to directing code. You focus on what the software should do, and the AI focuses on how to make it happen. The workflow follows a four-step loop. First, describe what you want in plain language. Second, the AI generates the code, including components, queries, styling, and basic error handling. Third, a human reviews the output for correctness, security, and business logic alignment. Fourth, iterate by giving the AI further instructions like adding features or fixes. Each cycle takes minutes, not hours. A feature that might require a full day of traditional development can reach a working prototype in 30 to 60 minutes. Traditional coding is syntax-driven and often involves lots of boilerplate and configuration. Developers can spend a large portion of time on code that adds no unique business value. Vibe coding is intent-driven. You express the business requirement, and the AI translates it into working code. This narrows the gap between stakeholder intent and implementation. Vibe coding excels where speed and iteration matter more than deep algorithmic optimization. Best use cases include MVPs and prototypes, internal tools, data transformation, CRUD apps, and integration layers. For these scenarios, vibe coding often achieves large cost reductions compared to traditional development. MVPs can go from 3 to 7 weeks down to 3 to 7 days with up to 90% cost reduction. Internal dashboards and CRUD applications can see 75 to 80% cost reductions and faster delivery. Vibe coding is not suitable for safety-critical systems, high-frequency trading, cryptographic implementations, or novel research algorithms. The common thread: it works best when the problem is well understood and the implementation is tedious. Gtemas combines vibe coding with agentic AI to deliver production-grade custom software, not just prototypes. Human engineers make architecture decisions to ensure quality assurance, security, scalability, and maintainability.